You're watching Resource Intelligence. We're live at the World Resource Investment Conference in Vancouver, where thousands of investors have come to find out more about resource companies, mining exploration companies. I'm joined right now by Eric Fear, who is the COO for SilverCrest Mines. SilverCrest trades on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol SVL. Thanks for talking to me, Eric.
Thanks for having me back, Doug.
So let's talk about your Santa Elena project. This is your cash cow, as you say, your producer. How much are you actually bringing in now in terms of revenues?
Currently, and once we declared commercial production in July, we had a ramp-up period. Now we're through that. It's the spring of 2012, and we're looking at $2 to $3 million per month right now.
Great. Now Santa Elena is not just an open pit, it's also this underground deposit that you're developing. So how far are we looking ahead till we see production there, and what's the potential?
We're looking at the life of the pit right now to push us toward the end of 2014.
Okay.
So we got a couple of years out, still a pit life. So in the planning process, we've already started our underground development. We started that in January 2012, and we're currently about 400 meters. This year, we're calling it Phase 1 underground. We'll go to about 1,500 meters worth of decline that we're going to drive. That'll set us up for Phase 1 ore extraction, which should take place somewhere between mid-2014 and end of 2014.
Okay. And these underground deposits, they're a little more difficult to substantiate exactly how long the mine life, I guess, would be, right? You're still drilling this out.
Yes, we are. We have a PEA on the underground, a preliminary economic assessment that we've completed with a resource in that. But as of today, we're still drilling the underground and expanding the underground resource.
Adding ounces.
Yeah.
You're also adding ounces at your La Jolla project. I think this might even be more exciting because you've built it up in terms of the number of ounces really quickly. So tell us about that.
Well, yeah, 6 months ago, Doug, we were at 0 ounces. Now we're at over 100 million ounces silver equivalent.
Yeah, wow.
So, yeah, and that just shows you how aggressive SilverCrest is and bringing value to the company and to its shareholders.
Good.
So,
what's next for SilverCrest?
well, we want to get the expansion plan completed at Santa Elena. So we're looking at a double in production there, hopefully a double in revenue using current metal prices.
Wow.
And that just becomes a double, now you got not one cash cow, but a double on it, 2 cash cows.
Right.
So that's setting us up for our war chest that we can use to acquire and grow and to set us up for production that we anticipate out of La Jolla in the future.
Okay. Give us some reasons why an investor should have a closer look at SilverCrest Mines.
Success story. There's very few companies in the market right now, especially in the silver side, and we're both silver and gold, and we're looking at other commodities too, from a polymetallic standpoint. But the success of the management is very important. La Jolla in SilverCrest is our second discovery. I personally have made several discoveries worldwide. So you got to have that initial discovery and getting value, but that only takes you one step. Now you got to finance it, you got to construct it, and you got to produce it. And that's what SilverCrest has, is a great management to do. It's a full meal deal to do everything.
Right, gotcha. And you've proven that at Santa Elena, and it looks like you're heading there again with La Jolla.
You bet.
Okay, thanks a lot for coming in,
Great.
Eric.
Thanks,
Okay.
Doug, for having me.
Investors can go to www.silvercrestmines.com to find out more about SilverCrest. And again, SilverCrest trades on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol SVL.